Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical sublimation oven, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from sublimation ovens, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sublimation ovens from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. PYD Life Sublimation Oven Machine 1-2-volt 1600 watt light blue oven for mugs, cups, water bottles, bulk printing. Looking for the best sublimation oven for your custom printing needs? Check out the PYD Life Sublimation Oven Machine, a 120-volt 1600-watt powerhouse designed for small batch bulk printing of mugs, cups, water bottles, and more. With a 25-liter capacity and compact size, 16.9 into 16.3 into 14 inches, it fits neatly in any workspace. This light blue metal oven features dual top and bottom heating tubes, advanced air circulation, and a ceramic enamel interior for fast, even heating. Perfect for vivid, full-wrap sublimation prints. Easily handle tapered and large-capacity blanks like 40-oz tumblers and 64-oz bottles. Print up to 4 mugs or tumblers at once, making it ideal for small businesses or hobbyists. Just set your time and temperature, wrap your design, and let the oven do the rest. If you want flawless, vibrant results every time, the PYD Life Sublimation Oven is your go-to solution for professional quality printing at home or in the studio. Number 2. OMPERIO Sublimation Oven Machine for Tumblers. 110-volt, 1800-watt oven for blank mugs, tumblers, bowls, glasses, bottles. Looking for the best sublimation oven for tumblers, mugs, and more? The OMPERIO Sublimation Oven Machine is your all-in-one solution. This powerful 110-volt, 1800-watt oven features a spacious 25-liter capacity and premium 304 stainless steel interior for safe, even, and efficient heating. With its sleek pink design, double-tempered glass door, and borderless digital touchscreen, it's both stylish and functional. Perfect for any workspace. This superset includes 50 shrink wraps for various tumbler sizes, 3 silicone wraps for mugs, 3 for bowls, 2 heat-resistant gloves, and sublimation tape. Everything you need for bulk sublimation projects right out of the box. Ideal for mugs, bottles, bowls, and glasses, this oven ensures vibrant, full-wrap results every time. Plus, with OMPERIO's 100% purchase guarantee, your investment is protected with no extra shipping or return costs. Upgrade your sublimation game with this durable, high-performance oven that brings your creative ideas to life with ease and precision. Number 3. HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine. Mug. Heat up fast and even professional sublimation tumblers. Looking for the best tumbler heat press for fast, flawless sublimation? Meet the HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine, your new go-to for professional quality results with zero hassle. This sleek, blue press features a smart auto pressure system that adjusts perfectly to your tumbler's size, eliminating guesswork and manual pressing. With a wide fit range, 2.95 to 3.18 inches diameter, 280 ml to 850 ml, it's ideal for mugs, cups, bottles, and more. It heats up quickly and evenly, cutting transfer time by up to 3 minutes compared to standard machines, all while reaching a max temp of 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for safety and ease, it includes an auto-off feature after 15 minutes of inactivity and an emergency stop button for instant shutdown and heat release. Built with high-temp persistent materials and an ABS shell, it's as durable as it is efficient. Whether you're a crafter, small business owner, or DIY enthusiast, the HTVRONT mug press makes sublimation effortless and safe, satisfaction guaranteed. Number 4. Affinova Sublimation Oven Machine 110-volt 1250-watt convection oven for sublimation blanks, mugs, tumblers, cups. Looking for the best sublimation oven for reliable, high-quality results? The Offnova Sublimation Oven Machine is a powerful and user-friendly solution for crafting stunning custom mugs, tumblers, and cups. Operating at 1250 watt and 110 volt with a spacious 20-liter capacity, this pea-green convection oven features 3D heating and dynamic temperature balance for even heat distribution and perfect transfers. With the one-tip mode button set to 365 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, it's ideal for most sublimation projects. No guesswork needed. A smart preheat alert notifies you when it's time to start, and the countdown timer makes the process simple. Whether you're printing on skinny tumblers, 40-oz bottles, or ceramic mugs, this oven can handle up to 4 items at once without rotating. Built with a durable metal frame, a Teflon-coated interior for easy cleaning, and a drop-down door for easy access, it's a great choice for small-batch DIY printing. Plus, it includes 5 shrink wraps and an oven glove for added convenience. Number 5. Z-Link HTL Sublimation Oven Auto Heat Press Machine for mug heat multi-cup capacity. Looking for the best sublimation oven for efficient, high-quality mug printing? The Z-Link HTL Sublimation Oven Auto Heat Press Machine is a powerful and compact solution perfect for small businesses and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a 1200-watt high-power system and dual heating tubes, it heats up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 minutes, delivering flawless, even heat with its 360-degree circulation fan, perfect for intricate, full-wrap designs on mugs and tumblers. This light blue stainless steel oven fits 11 AS to 30 OS cups, allowing you to press up to 5 mugs at once, producing up to 50 mugs in just 2 hours. It features an easy-to-use rotary knob for precise time and temperature control, auto shut-off after 30 minutes, and a drop-down door for safe access. Industrial gloves are included for added safety. Whether you're working with ceramic mugs or stainless tumblers, Z-Link HTL ensures vivid, professional-quality results. No peeling, no fading, ideal for anyone serious about sublimation success. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.